finish the race. The estimated strength of field is 2,048.
Welcome guys to an episode.
A lot of opportunities today. Head down, pick your battle.
This is going to be a cockpit view race of Street Stocks at Bristol, 50 laps. I'm starting last, 16th place. This is going to be interesting.
That's it for tyres. Make them last the rest of the race. Line up on the outside. Pit road is closed right now. Catch the 9 car.
Gotta go. Take it easy on these tires for this whole race. So, this will be fun. It's been a while since I've driven street stocks, but the fact
One
that
lap to green
Bristol makes it even more fun. Interesting, really.
About to go green. Stay focused.
Now the thing with this is the videos. I'm stuck right now having 15-minute videos, and so it's not really good because partway through this race I might have to if I look at the qualifying laps, maybe partway through this race I might have to like it all out.
The pace car is in. Green, green, green.
One episode and start the next.
Car inside. Still there, hold your line. Clear.
So I'm just driving in the back of this.
Slow car down low. Car stop down low. The yellow flag is out. They want you in single file. Pit road is closed. Catch the 14 car.
Gotta let the pace car by so I can apply.
Gotta check up big time.
Pass that 2 car.
Oh my goodness.
Catch the 14 car. Catch the 8 car. Pit road's open. Catch the 10 car. Catch the 14 car.
No, I'm not planning on winning. I'm just taking it easy in the back. This is
Pass that 2 car.
I hit the 15-minute mark during under caution, so I can just quickly click one button and then click other buttons to end, then start. It's gonna be really boring and
Pass that 2 car. Pit road is closed.
And we got somebody in the pits. Interesting. As we are gonna get 1 lap to green.
1 lap to green. You're on the outside this time.
I don't want to pass the 14.
Get ready, going green.
And we've lost a driver already. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty interesting. So, if you haven't yet, like this video, subscribe. This race is gonna be super early.
Pace car is off.
And we're about to go back racing.
Green flag, green flag. Inside, the leader just did a 45.544. Clear inside.
I'm still learning this car and track combo. I've only done this like once. It was a long time ago. So. Yeah. I hope the mic's working when I'm talking to you guys.
New fast flat for you.
Now, comment down below. Do you guys want to hear me do like some commentary racing, or just watch the races with me just making comments during it, like not long, but like a broadcast kind of commentary, or just commenting on the race as it goes. So yeah, comment down below which you guys would like.
The car in P2 just set the fastest lap. 15.994. Just set your fastest lap of the session.
I'm super off base. I'm also trying not to wreck the car.
Just set your fastest lap of the session. You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 1.3 seconds.
Like I can hear the
leader is running 16.054.
You guys remember, I got one of my first ever truck series wins on iRacing at Bristol. And like this, they thought I was doing grid packs. If you've watched the video, if you've watched the like 4-part series, I'm pretty sure. If you haven't, go ahead and watch it. But yeah, during like episode 3, they thought I was using grip packs because I was like pulling away like crazy. I had like so much more grip or something compared to them. All I did was drive a line. Like, all I did was dive in the corner. While they were using the outside.
Flat for you.
Like I'd use the inside diamond and they'd use the outside.
You're losing on the car in front. The gap is 2.5 seconds.
I'm so slow. The leaders call out where they want me to go, because since I'm communicating to you guys, I can't communicate to them. So like it's a thing where like I either get to communicate to you guys or I can communicate to them. And you guys, I think, are more important.
That was your fastest lap of the session.
Because I keep setting fast laps by a couple tenths at a time. A couple hundreds, I mean. Like tenths, hundreds, even thousands.
The leader is running 16.206.
3 tenths of the base. See, I think this track can probably go full throttle. Well, currently I'm just lifting out of the gas in the middle. This track probably
It's just set the fastest lap of the session.
Oh yeah, this track's a full throttle track. I was just taking it easy on the tires. Oh, well, I know I'm gonna be going faster now. But it's still not as fast as the leaders. They are super fast. I'm sorry for my little siblings yelling in the background if you guys heard it. I don't know what they're doing. They're crazy. That's why I know. But yeah, I'm running practically last because the only person that's behind me is left. Like, they're not in the session. Now, I will try to I might be able to do the Rolex 24 with like, might be able to do the roll for you guys, but it's going to be
Leader is running 16.334.
15 minutes, and that's 4 parts in an hour, or 4 times 24. It's like a bunch of part segments. It's like 96 sections, which who would want to watch?
Coming up on halfway
Probably
here.
just, like, record. I probably just won't do it yet. Maybe 2026. Yes, 2026. We'll probably live stream the Rolex 24. Yeah. Can't do it now, because of certain reasons. Now, iRacing has an age limit. Okay? It's 13, you gotta be 13, but in my books, I started under 13. In my book, yeah, I started like almost 10. I started when I was 10. Actually, I guess a month before I turned 10, I started, and yeah, I ended up winning. So there's a NASCAR, there's such a thing on iRacing called the NASCAR iRacing Series. Now it's
You're gaining on the car in front. The gap is 1.7 seconds.
half-length NASCAR
The
races.
leader is running 16.462.
NASCAR Cup Series, half-length races, minus the clash.
20 laps to
I
go.
won one of the races, and I was 10, and like 8 months, 10 and 8 months, which honestly is pretty sad to have a 10-year-old be.
14, you are a fucking idiot. Holy fuck. League is coming. Yep. Staying up high. Staying up high the whole
As I
track.
was saying,
Appreciate it.
yeah, so one of those at 10, one of those at 11, which honestly was insane. I'm crazy. I don't know why.
Low car up high. Car stopped ahead. Caution, yellow flag. Line up, single file. Closed, pit road is closed. Catch start 14. Car, catch start 2. Car.
Checking out for the pace
Left
run
up
back
2. Car by.
Right, and this part.
Catch start 14. Car.
So, yeah. Probably will dip into the pits, but yeah, insane when I won. I went crazy. Yeah. Now that race.
Pit road is now open.
Thank Kavaha Holt for helping me win that race. He restarted second on a green white checker finish, I'm pretty sure. Third had first tires.
Catch up 14.
He
Car.
held him up for me. That sounds like cheating, but
Catch up 14. Car.
it was amazing on what he did for me. So continue in part 2.